Hello students, welcome to Science and Technology Part 2, Chapter number 7, Energy Flow in an Ecosystem. In this chapter, today, so friends, we are going to study, you have studied next unit, that is in carbon cycle. Biogeochemical cycles. Different chemicals or the minerals, elements, they are transferring from environment to biotic components, again from biotic component to the environment. This cyclic flow is known as biogeochemical cycle. As a part of gaseous cycle, we are going to study the first type of the cycle, that is carbon cycle. Now see the picture here. It shows some representation. Here is the sun showing the sunlight. The solar energy is utilized by all green plants during the process of photosynthesis, and they prepare their food material. During the preparation of food material, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is utilized, and that carbon dioxide contains carbon. So carbon cycle mostly running through the different compounds which are rich in carbon. So here circulation and recycling of carbon from atmosphere to living organism, and after their death back to the atmosphere is called as carbon cycle. या आत्ताच मी तुम्हाला जे सांगितलं की ॲटमॉस्फिअरमधून कार्बन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये येणार आहे आणि लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममधून तो पुन्हा ॲटमॉस्फिअरमध्ये जाणार आहे. ह्या फ्लोला आपण कार्बन सायकल असं म्हणतो. अबायोटिक कार्बन ॲटम्स आर सर्क्युलेटेड अँड रिसायकल्ड into biotic form mainly through the process photosynthesis and respiration. These are two different processes which takes place, and through these processes, through the process of photosynthesis, atmospheric carbon dioxide is combined with water molecule from which is absorbed from the soil, and there is the formation of carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are used by the plants as a source of food, and rest of the energy is stored in the form of a carbon rich compounds called as proteins and fats. कार्बन रिच कंपाऊंड जे आहेत प्रोटीन आणि फॅटच्या फॉर्ममध्ये एनर्जी स्टोअर केली जाते की जी प्लांट वापरत नाहीत, बट दॅट एनर्जी इज युटिलाइज्ड बाय द अनदर ऑर्गॅनिझम्स वेन दॅट मीन्स प्लांट्स कन्वर्ट कार्बन डायऑक्साइड इंटू कार्बोहायड्रेट बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, प्रकाश संश्लेषण ज्याला म्हणतो आपण. सिमिलरली they produce carbon compounds like proteins and fats too. The herbivores feeds on plants. जे herbivores animals आहेत म्हणजे ज्यांना प्रायमरी कन्झ्युमर म्हणतो आपण, ते प्लांटवर फीड होतात, म्हणजेच आता ते कार्बन कंपाऊंड्स हर्बिव्होर्समध्ये येतात. कार्निव्होर्स फीड्स ऑन हर्बिव्होर्स. कार्निव्होर्स ॲनिमल्स हे हर्बिव्होर्सवर फीड होतात, म्हणजे फूड मटेरियल म्हणजेच कार्बन आता कार्निव्होर्सच्या बॉडीमध्ये जातो. इन दिस वे बायोटिक कार्बन इज ट्रान्सपोर्टेड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स टू हर्बिव्होर्स अँड फ्रॉम हर्बिव्होर्स टू कार्निव्होर्स अँड फ्रॉम कार्निव्होर्स टू अपेक्स कन्झ्युमर्स. थेट अपेक्स कन्झ्युमरपर्यंत हा कार्बन जातो. आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ द कन्झ्युमर्स are decomposed by decomposers like bacteria and fungi, and carbon dioxide is released again into the atmosphere. परत कार्बन डायऑक्साईड ॲटमॉस्फिअरमध्ये रिलीज केला जातो अँड इज यूज्ड अगेन बाय लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम. पुन्हा पुढच्या लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम्सने तो वापरला जातो. इन दिस वे कार्बन इज कंटिन्युअसली पास्ड ऑन फ्रॉम वन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम टू अनदर. त्याच्यामुळे एका लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममधून तो दुसऱ्या लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये जातो. आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम कार्बन गोज टू ॲटमॉस्फिअर अगेन and is again take up by living organisms. पुन्हा तो लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम्सकडे येतो. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड टू यू, what are the main processes in carbon cycle? Carbon cycle involves two main processes, of which first one is the photosynthesis. The chemical reaction takes place during photosynthesis is this one, first one. 6 carbon dioxide molecules combines with 12 water molecule, 12 H2O, in presence of sunlight and with the help of chlorophyll pigment present in chloroplast of the plant cell. There is the formation of C6H12O6 means glucose, and during this process again 6 molecules of water and 6 ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्युल्स आर रिलीज्ड इन टू द एअर. इथे ऑक्सिजन रिलीज होतो, कार्बन डायऑक्साईड घेतला जातो, ऑक्सिजन रिलीज होतो, त्याला आपण फोटोसिंथेसिस म्हणतो. आता तयार केलेलं हे जे फूड आहे याचं जेव्हा रेस्पिरेशन होतं, वेन रेस्पिरेशन टेक्स प्लेस, द ग्लुकोज मॉलिक्यूल इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन, दॅट इज oxidation of glucose in presence of oxygen, that is called as aerobic respiration, that which we have studied in last chapter. हे aerobic respiration होतं. It takes place in mitochondria in presence of oxygen and converts into 6 carbon dioxide and 6 water molecules, and during this process large amount of energy is produced, that which we have studied during glycolysis and Krebs cycle. ही एनर्जी तयार होते. ह्या दोन प्रोसेसमुळे काय होतं, ॲटमॉस्फेरिक कार्बन डायऑक्साईड प्लांट यूज करतात, ऑक्सिजन रिलीज करतात. रेस्पिरेशनच्या वेळेला ऑक्सिजन यूज केला जातो आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईड सोडला जातो. त्याच्यामुळे देर इज ॲन इक्विलिब्रियम between carbon dioxide and oxygen during these two processes. So atmospheric proportion is maintained continuously during the process of photosynthesis and respiration, which takes place in plants and animals respectively. Now this is the diagrammatic representation or the array diagram which shows the process of transfer of carbon during the carbon cycle. So here is the atmospheric carbon dioxide that is present. Here is the solar energy. Solar energy and atmospheric carbon dioxide during the process of photosynthesis converts into a carbohydrates, glucose, by the plants. At the same time, plants show the process of respiration and release carbon dioxide again into the atmosphere. While these plants which are consumed by animals, they also performs the respiration and releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. परत atmosphere मध्ये ही प्रोसेस आपण पाहिली. पण याच्यासोबतच आणखी काही प्रोसेस होतात. कोणत्या? कार्बन विच इज ट्रॅप्ड बाय द प्लांट्स आफ्टर देअर डेथ, when they are buried under the soil, gets converted into fossils, and these fossils which are in the form of fossil fuels like coal, after their combustion releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Also the plants when their death takes place, decomposers converts the complex substances of these animals into simple substances and release into the environment, or they may be converted into fossil petroleums, and then by their combustion म्हणजे काही प्लांट्स जे आहेत ते से फॉर एक्झाम्पल द वेस्ट मटेरियल ऑफ शुगर इंडस्ट्री अँड फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री त्याच्यापासून पेट्रोलियम सारखे प्रॉडक्ट्स तयार केले जातात, म्हणून हा ॲरो दाखवला. अँड कंबशन बाय ह्युमन ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, इंडस्ट्रीज अँड ट्रान्सपोर्ट also releases carbon dioxide which is stored into the atmosphere. Similarly, in water also, in sea water there is H2CO3 carbonic acid which is formed in the oceans by the absorption, and these acids are again utilized by the aquatic organisms. So this is the carbon cycle. This is the schematic representation of carbon cycle. Now most important thing is that carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere through abiotic process like burning of fossil fuels, wood, forest fires and volcanic activities. या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज काही प्रमाणात याच्यामधूनही कार्बन डायऑक्साईड रिलीज केला जातो. ऑक्सिजन इज रिलीज्ड into the atmosphere by biotic process called as photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide through respiration. Hence there is equilibrium of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases in the atmosphere, and the atmosphere is maintained by the plants. प्लांट ह्या ॲटमॉस्फिअर मेंटेन करतात, आणि म्हणूनच आपण असं म्हणतो की प्रदूषण कमी करायचं असेल तर प्लांटची संख्या वाढवली आहे. प्रदूषणचा ह्याच्याशी काय संबंध? Large amount of carbon dioxide is nothing but the pollution. Then from this video you will come across the carbon cycle. So you can describe the carbon cycle with the help of diagram and describe the main processes in the carbon cycle. Thank you.